Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Spanish Daily. Now for today's phrase, it's going to be a pretty simple one, just like pretty much any other video. So for today's phrase, we're going to be asking, what is today's date? Now to ask this, you would say, ¿Qué fecha es hoy? Or ¿Qué día es hoy? Now these two phrases you can pretty much ask whenever you want. You can interchange them. It doesn't really change the meaning too much. One more is asking what the date is. That one would be ¿Qué fecha es hoy? The other one you're more like asking what day is it today by saying ¿Qué día es hoy? But pretty much like anything, it all has to do with context. If you're filling out a paper and you ask either or, they are going to give you the date. So like I said, it doesn't really matter which one you use. They both pretty much do mean the same thing when you're trying to ask that specific question. That phrase again is ¿Qué fecha es hoy? And ¿Qué día es hoy? And that's going to be pretty much for that one. If you guys have any questions on it, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Either I or somebody else will be able to answer them for you and help you learn Spanish today. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.